One of the things that happens when you start to reconnect with your Dharma is that all of a sudden this fountain spring of options start to appear. You start to think of all the ways that you can express it to the world. For me, when I started to realize that being a storyteller was a big part of my Dharma, all of a sudden all these options started to appear. I could speak, I could write, I could start to, work in film, I could do a podcast. The options were endless. And the thing that I realized is that instead of trying to jump to one of those options immediately, really just allow yourself to kind of sit back a little bit and let these options start to come to you. Write them down, keep track of them carefully, but don't necessarily feel the pressure right away to start acting on it. Because I think that pressure to start seizing it right away is sometimes it actually takes us out of our Dharma. If you can kind of sit back a little bit and just say, oh my gosh, there are so many different ways now to express this essence, to express this calling, and slowly start to have each of these options kind of speak to you, that becomes a much more thoughtful way of saying, all right, what am I not just thinking about right now, but what's really, really grabbing me in this moment? So give it time. Like actually spend some time thinking about, all right, wow, all of a sudden this fountain spring of options has opened up. What is it that's actually pulling me the most? Take your time with that.